redirect to cloud pages URL. In this redirect to cloud pages URL, what all information you have captured from multiple different data extensions, you can pass to a cloud page. This is a cloud page which we developed, and this cloud page has a URL and a page ID. If you go to page properties, you will get a page ID of this cloud page. Our intention is to pre-populate customer data on a cloud page and then ask for a rating from that customer. To pre-populate data on a cloud page and ask for a rating from that customer. So to pre-populate the data on a cloud page, we have to pass that data via email, because the cloud pages URL will be sent via email, SMS, push notifications only. In marketing communications, you will be sending. In email, we already have ability to retrieve data from multiple different data extensions and display on an email. The same data can be passed to a cloud page URL using redirect to cloud pages URL function. Once we have used redirect to cloud pages URL function, what it does is it passes extra parameters to cloud page. So this function involves the cloud page ID on which you have to pass the data, and then the parameters you want to pass. We want to pass subscriber key to that cloud page, and the value of subscriber key we have stored inside a variable. We have to pass product details to a cloud page, and the value of product is stored inside @product variable. We want to pass bill, the value is passed in @bill. Image also we can pass, and the value of image is stored inside @image. Date of purchase is also stored inside @dop variable. So once you pass all these parameters using a cloud page, what system does is it creates an encrypted